So I was still recording and my phone demanded for enough space, so here is the gate opened. Our house gate, our goat house gate is now open. So here we go. So this is where I will be spraying the goats from, the spray room. Robani kwa mtoa mulele bintu bino. Sawa dino ngandiwo mutandikire kuba baja sprayingira. So we have some goats in that I bought using my salary, but I'm paid. I bought some goats in. You see? Yeah, so there are some goats in. Around 10 goats. So when the other goats come, we shall be just adding on these ones we're having in right now. So when you enter this house, the goat house, that one is the young goat's house. So these are the stairs where they will be stepping to go to their house. So this is the young goat's house here. And when you look beyond the fence, that's where we planted the grass. That's where I planted the grass. All that part is the grass. Very far there, but there's too much mud. That's why I didn't want to reach there. But it's a very big land. Yeah. You can see even here, beyond the fence, all that is our land. Yeah, so I think that's all.